Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you where to select your custom heart rate zones for workout settings in the HUAWEI Health app. Open the HUAWEI Health app, go to Me, scroll down a bit and go to Settings. Now tap on Workout Settings, then Exercise Heart Rate Settings. Right here we have our heart rate zones. We can select whether to use maximum heart rate percentage, HRR percentage, or LTHR percentage. If you select each option, you can see a quick description below. For max heart rate, the percentage divides zones based on your maximum heart rate for best training guidance. HRR is automatically used during running courses and calculates zones based on the difference between your maximum and resting heart rate. LTHR is based on your calculated lactate threshold, with zones as percentages of your lactate threshold heart rate. It's up to you which mode you want to select. Here we have the current settings. If you want, you can go to Advanced and manually set the heart rate and percentage for each zone. Then hit the button to save. You can set zones for upright exercises performed standing, like running or walking. You can set them for sitting exercises performed in a sitting or slightly bent position, like rowing, spinning, or cycling. For this one, for example, we don't have LTHR, only HRR. You can also set zones for swimming and other exercises that don't fit a fully standing, sitting, or neutral position, or exercises like fishing or strength training that involve multiple positions. Select everything you want. You can also set the heart rate limit and enable the alert, so it will alert me during other workouts when my heart rate reaches a certain value. That's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.